In this video, I will show you how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome so you can allow pop-ups on specific websites. To get started, open up a new Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and on this menu you want to come down and click onto settings just down here. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then what you want to do in the privacy and security section is come down and click onto site settings, and then what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you get to the content section just down here, and in here you're going to see an option for pop-ups and redirects. So give that a click. That's going to take you to this section here. And to disable your pop-up blocker, underneath the default behavior section, you want to select the option which says that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Give that a click, and then what that's going to do is enable websites to send pop-ups. So this is really handy if you're trying to sign up for a website, and maybe the sign-up form is coming up in a separate window, like a pop-up window. But of course, if you have your pop-up blocker enabled, you're not going to be able to complete that form. So sometimes it's good to have this enabled, but that is how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.